Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can transfer funds anywhere using Revolut. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Revolut application and log in with your account. And once you're done with that, you'll see the homepage of it. Overall states are available on its homepage so that you won't need to go anywhere to check them and saves a lot of your time. Now click on the hub icon at the bottom left corner in the icons tray. Here you'll see a lot of options to select from. Just click on the remittance option. If you can't see it here, then just use the search bar to locate it. After that, the remittance option will show up in front of you. Now it will ask you to select the destination. What it means is that you need to select the country from where the receiving bank or account is, from to which you are transferring your funds. Select the country according to your situation. In my case, I'll select a random country. As it is a private page, you cannot record this page, but I'll talk you through it. Now it will ask for you to enter the amount of transfer. Type in the amount and click on continue. That's how you can transfer funds anywhere using Revolut. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.